Hello guys, my name is Kaushal Patil and today's date is 11th of August 2K27. So our today's video topic is static keyword which is used in Java. So let us discuss what we are going to cover in our today's topic. So first of all we will see what is the use of static keyword, then we will see types of static keyword, and then at last we will take an example of static keyword. So let us start with what is static keyword. So basically static keyword is used to allocate memory in Java. It is the whenever the static keyword is used, at that time the Java gives the JVM, gives the memory to store whatever it may be. It may be a method, a class, or a variable, so that can be stored directly by using static keyword. But if we do not use static keyword, then we have to create an object, and then the method, class, or the variable can be stored in the object. And the object is created by using new keyword. So in this way there are two ways of storing the data. So we will see the types of static keyword. So basically there are three types of static keyword, that is static method, second one is static variable, and third one is static class. So whenever we type a static word in the class, at that time the JVM gives the space to store directly to the class. Similarly to the variable, if we in the class, if we type static in front of the variable, at that time the variable, the JVM gives the space to store the variable. In this way, uh, because of that, in the main method we can directly access the variable from another class. Means we do not have to create an object. So, and the third one is static method. It is also similar to the static variable. We do not have to create new object. If we write static is in static keyword in front of the method, so because of that we do not have to create new object to access the method. We can directly access the method by directly access the method. So now so now let us take an example of accessing the static variable. So first of all, create a class name which is named as ABCD. In that class we will give static int variable name a equals to a semicolon. So in the other class we have to, in the main method, we have to as we have to access the variable, we have to simply write the variable name dot, then we can directly access we can directly access the vari- uh, variable we can directly access the value in the variable. In this way we can also access the method. So to access the method, if we create a class in which we will type static method name, that is ABCD, and in that method suppose we will give addition method, and we will give two two inputs, that is integer a and integer b. So in the another class, that is main method, if we want to access the method, then we will simply call the method name dot, and we can access the method from the another class, and we can get the output to an console. So this is all about static keyword. Thank you.